Hi, my wonderful people. You are welcome back to another video, and I greet you all according to your time. So anytime you come across this video, please do not fail to subscribe, like the video, and share the video. So as you subscribe, you will see where bell did there, you go on am. So the reason for you to on that bell and for you to get to receive anytime I upload another video, you will be the first person to receive them. So today I just want I know say Nigeria problem. Some people go say, abeg, no be today Nigeria don't be like this, so maybe we leave Nigeria problem, maybe they live our normal life to go. But I'm not sure say we will get normal life if where we come from not dey okay. No normal life for me as I dey reason now, because I dey always dey reason this thing now. Let's assume say evacuation happen, where we won't go for that place where no security, where they not get value for human life. Now there everybody want go. So sometimes where we dey reason good things, now there bad things still dey happen. So that's why sometimes I dey like reason the life in two ways. Okay, fine. Many people feel say, okay, they dey Europe now, after all, you know, concern me, I won't live and die here. But you go come remember say you get brother back home, you get sister, you get mother. No, there are some people. So we need to still reason everywhere round. So that's why I say make I come today. May we reason this issue of a shoot at sight anybody with AK-47. So I want ask our boo, our president, this shoot at sight order when he give now the right thing to make Nigeria dey okay? Because for me, I reason not be the right thing. This will not be the way to fight this bandits. Because if we reason our prison today, most people where they inside prison, they not be criminals, but they are just a victims of poverty. Because if our big men, children commit crime finish, they will carry the poor people, take by them. Why the person will commit crime go they go free? Why the person will not know one, not know two, they will put the allegation for a head? If father and the mother not get money to fight, so it go dead them. So that's why I say make I call ask this question today now. This shoot at sight order now where our president give. Now this will really be the right thing, right way to fight this problem, to tackle this problem. Because at the end of the day, so people will go still die for this thing. Now still innocent people like me and you. Because the gun now they everywhere. This AK-47, everything that they talk now, they're everywhere. This Fulani herdsmen now when they say, okay, maybe now they disturb all those people, now they disturb. Say they shoot at sight now. Now there people, innocent people, now they will consider a key, plant that say gun, put for their hand. So okay, now because I meet this gun for a hand, I see am with this gun, now I shoot them. Now innocent people, now they go still use their head, take carry this water where they boil so. So let's say, because for me, I reason now, I don't think this is the right way to go about it. I'm not sure saying that the right thing for the government to do at this time. Because at least for our country, so we need action. We need action governments. Because our people are old. And at the same time, everybody knows that this man, he's sick. Since when he takes sick, when they come out, so come back. He not remain the same again. So that's the thing they wonder me, why Africans, why are we so greedy? Why we they so selfish? Because if you don't into power, you come and say with your health condition you can't carry on again, you resign. You go resign so that person that is capable will take over. But for Africa, we know they like come up for power. That's just our problem. We know they like come up for power. Anything don't make you rich, that the person won't die there. No. Think about the innocent souls where they go. Think about lives where they lost every day, because every day for Nigeria you must hear say they kill so amount, they kidnap this, they kidnap that. Reason I say now people, children, I be all those ones where they go, because even criminals deserve a second chance. That is why they built prison. When you catch a criminal, you judge the case, the person is found guilty, then you know where to go place. Not just to dey kill, like Nigeria will kill everybody finish with this order where our boo don't give now. So that's why I'm not sure say this one are the right thing. If you are old, you don't dey feed it, because I'm not sure say a right thinking government will just go ahead order like this, because my children not dey. People wey they want kill now, still this innocent citizens wey be say they don't see food eat, now they will still use it to carry this thing. So this is if you are too old, you go and relax. You have tried, you don't rule for as a military before, you don't come back to rule again as a civilian. So you have tried your best. Not be waiting you promise Nigeria, not be you they serve us now, but maybe now when you be promised to give us what you promise, but due to the circumstances you couldn't give us what you promised us. No problem, resign with dignity and go and relax. Let your children take care of you. You are old, let your children take care of you, so that problem of Nigeria no will kill you before your time. Because this order you just gave now is rubbish. For me, for as I think now poor people won't still suffer am. You know, if you just tell person say why can't you arrest the person? You arrest the person, because this Boko Haram what they talk about, so una know where they dey. If they come kidnap these children for school, una know where they una for go, they negotiate with them, they release those children. If una want really end this bandit, una know where they dey, bomb dey. Okay, even if say soldiers no fit go there, why not send bomb there and bomb this place and let these people go? So I don't know how my fellow Nigerians reason this issue of shoot to die. If anybody with AK-47, because sometimes you feel see some vigilantes, they be carry gun, they be carry this gun. Vigilantes where they guide village, where they guide farm, people where they go farm, they see they carry gun. So now I believe that many innocent people go for nothing, because they not be people, not be them be the people where they commit this crime. Because people where they do this thing, una know where they dey. Una know them, because una empower these people by una self. So I pray and I beg una, make una rethink this law wey una bring come outside, so because I know say at the end na innocent people now they go use her to carry this thing. So now to make I ask my fellow Nigerians, how una reason this shoot aside order now where our boo don't bring come outside? Because I believe say people they advise this man, or people wey sit down for there, they know they reason us. They know they reason us, because after all their children are not there. Their children know they work out for streets. So now me and you they work out for streets. Now we they go see. So now they go kill innocent people for nothing, because person don't even know it, no why, no nothing. Go use the hair take carry am, because they'll carry the gun and put for a hand. Maybe you fed the verse for somebody before now. Then they find out since now. This opportunity now go use and take kill, and now go say they go put the gun for a hand, say he see her with AK-47. So my fellow Nigerians, I say make una help me reason this thing. I'm gonna still tell me for the comment section how una feel about this shoot aside order with anybody they see with a AK-47. So I will see you people in my comment section. Let me know how you feel, share your opinion with me, and I'll see you again in another video. Please, if you have not subscribed, do not forget to subscribe, like the video and share the video, because this is the only opportunity we have to express ourselves, to tell the world how we feel about the people that they are ruling us. So we just need to talk, we need to express ourselves, we need to know how we can take Nigeria to another level. So I'll see you again in my next video. Please stay safe. Please, our people back home, protect yourself. You people should be very careful and know where you go at this moment of crisis in Nigeria. Thank you. I will see you again in my next video. God will protect you all in Jesus' name.